Oh, hey. Thanks for coming over. Hmm? Oh, yeah. Please, come in. It's pouring. You're literally soaked. How long have you been waiting out there? A few minutes? Oh, oh my god, I'm so sorry. I just got out of the shower. I didn't mean to keep you waiting. I woke up super late and then I had to eat. And then shower and... Okay, yeah. I know I did invite you over to help me name my plants and stuff, but... Okay, yeah, I'm sorry. But how have you been? Okay, that's good. Oh, me? I've been okay. Pretty uneventful, but at least I get these bad boys. Do you want to see them? Yeah. Here, come over here. Okay, so this is a Boston fern. Aren't they just so cute? Some even call them an air purifying superhero. Another cool thing about them is that they both love humidity and can act as a humidifier. Though in case you were planning on getting one too, they're kind of hard to take care of. I've never had trouble with them, but apparently one of the most common reasons they die so fast is because people overwater them. Oh, sorry. I didn't mean to get into it too much. I know you didn't drive all the way here just to have me lecture you on plants. Really? It's really okay. You want to hear me talk about my interests? I... Thanks. That means a lot to me. I want to hear you talk about your interests too. Anyways, naming. Well, I have one idea. Christopher. Don't laugh. It's very serious and he can hear you, you know. Okay, fine. If you think it's so terrible, what's your idea? Oh my god, I'm sorry, but that's atrocious. Yeah, I know mine isn't that much better, but jeez. I think you might shrivel up and die with that one. Okay, let's forget about Christopher for now. How about this golden pothos over here that I got yesterday? You know, they're sometimes also known as devil's vine because of their impossible to kill nature and due to the fact that they can survive in dark conditions. It's also known to be... Oh, I'm sorry. I know I'm doing it again and... Yeah, I know. I know what you said, but... Thanks. Oh wait. That actually isn't a terrible name. I was thinking President Plant or something. But that sounds way better. Okay, honestly, I think those are the only ones I haven't named yet. I might have been bored while eating and then... Yeah. So, meet Toadette, Jeffrey, and Winston. No, I think you're lying to yourself if you don't think these are the best names ever. Oh, why did I ask you to come over in the first place? Well, I guess I just wanted to spend time with you. It's been a while and I miss seeing your face. Shut up. It's true. Anyway, it's getting late. I know I kind of just asked you to come over on a whim, so it's okay if you're getting tired and need to head out. I'm sorry that you came all the way here just for something so silly. Oh, you want to stay over? Yeah, it is raining pretty hard. I guess it was pouring a while ago. Although I haven't heard anything recently, but yeah, I'm sure that makes sense. Yeah, okay. I'm glad. What? No, of course it's okay that you can. It's just been a while since anybody has stayed the night. I'm just really unprepared. The floor? No. You can take my bed. It's totally okay. Sometimes I sleep on the floor for fun. I'm serious. It's okay. Don't worry about it. I know things have been a little rough lately. You seriously deserve the best. Do you want to go to my room now? Yeah? Okay. Over here. I've cleaned up my room a little since the last time you saw it. I hope it's okay. No, I'm glad you think it looks nice. Is my bed comfortable enough? Okay, good. No, yeah, the floor is seriously okay. Yeah, you look a bit tired. You want to go to sleep now? Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead and use my bathroom. I'm just gonna go to bed early. I'll see you in the morning. Good night, okay? Psst. Hey, you awake? Nothing. Okay, I guess not. Well, I guess it makes it a bit easier for me to say this. I'm just glad you're here. Like, with me, I suppose. I'm really happy you're my friend. You've helped me get through a whole lot of hard times, and you make me feel like I matter and can do literally anything I set my mind to. You're so encouraging and light up my world. I just love spending time with you, and I wish I could be with you every single second of the day. It took so much for me to muster up the courage to ask you to come over today. Sorry, it was just bad timing on my part. I know you were probably getting ready for bed, and I don't even know why I even asked you to come over. I just really missed you. And I don't even know why I'm apologizing to the wall and saying this when you can't even hear me. I like to think of this as practice for when I finally decide to say it to your face. God, even when you're not awake, I can't say any of this properly. I'm really not good at any of this. Sorry. I know you told me that self-deprecation isn't that good for me. And you also told me not to apologize so much. I'm sorry again. I mean, not sorry. Alright, starting over. I should really plan this out. Well, but then it wouldn't feel natural. Ugh, whatever. Basically what I'm saying is, I don't want to be friends anymore. Holy crap, maybe I should write this down. That came off the wrong way. I mean, that I do want to be friends, but more than that. Like, I want nothing more than to spend my life with you and make you happy. But I don't know how to say that in a way that will win you over or sound coherent and charming. I don't know how to get you to like me. And I keep reading up on all these how to get someone to like you pages that I don't think will work. This is honestly the first way I've felt this way towards anyone. And I just don't know how to deal with it. Like, at all. I've tried asking my friends for help and none of it ever sticks. And like, I would usually go to you about this stuff, but I obviously can't, you know? This isn't something you just vent about. Like, hey, person I like, I've been having difficulty telling you that I like you. What should I do? And the thing is that I wanted to tell you this for what feels like forever. But every time I'm about to, my throat just closes up and my mind goes blank. I thought about writing it out, but I'm not even that good of a writer. It's just so much. I guess I'm just scared you won't feel the same. That our friendship will be over if I tell you how I really feel. But every day gets harder and harder to keep it all inside. I just really like you, you know. I just don't want you to know yet. I'm scared. I'm really, really scared. And I'm really tired too. But you're sleeping nicely. And that's all that matters. Good night. Huh? You're awake? Oh my god, I'm so sorry for waking you up. Did you hear anything? All of it? Somebody please just put me out of my misery now. I'm so sorry you weren't meant to hear any of that. And I... Seriously? You feel the same? Really? You do? Why didn't you tell me? Same reason as me, huh? I really thought if you liked me, you would have told me by now. Judging from your personality. You're not shy like me. Really? I make you feel that way? I gave you butterflies? I really wasn't expecting this. Is it okay if I come up there? Yeah. Of course I want to cuddle. Come here. You seriously like me? I never thought I'd hear those words. You mean so much to me. That was a nice little trick you did there, pretending to be asleep. Well, it all worked out in the end, didn't it? You say it. Okay, fine. I love you. So much. And I hope you sleep well too. Good night.